let's run the server. Try to create a new user, passing body JSON containing fields, username, password, name, and you can specify an optional role. By default, it's just user instead of admin. Let's create one. I'll return a message of JSON object with the message string and a status. We'll try to get all the users. We go to this endpoint. We get verb and see created a user admin. And if we need to log in, go to this endpoint. And specify password, JSON object, and request body, username and password. And if it's correct, we'll send a token inside the response JSON body and the actual user object inside the database. We can use that. These three endpoints needs authorization tokens. We're pasting here. So we need to update the user, specify the body, request body, JSON, all the fields need to be changing, including the ID. So if you want to change this user with a password and name, for example, on the use user send and successfully updated. You try to generate the gmap URL. That's the main functionality of our API. Send in a GET request with the IP or the domain name next to the endpoint. So if we want to try get the actual location of google.com, send that here. We'll generate a URL, country where it's located, and the city. And if we try to go here on the generated Google Maps URL, go open a browser, go exactly here. In the National Museum, Singapore. That's the actual server located. And if you want to delete the user, you just need to specify the ID of the user. Requires authorization token. We copy here. Copy here and pass it here. If you delete it, says it's deleted. Check. Let's get all the users. Now it's empty.